Hi everyone, my name is Manish and welcome to the channel. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about how can you optimize your Naukri profile and LinkedIn profile to get the number of calls from the recruiter. Like you might be struggling with getting the calls from the recruiters. You might be updating the your profiles. You might be doing the uh, networking part as well on the LinkedIn, but not getting the enough number of calls. So what can you do, correct? So we are going to talk about that in this particular video. So let's start with the Naukri itself. So how can you optimize your profile on the Naukri side? So the first point in terms of the Naukri is that your profile should be 100% completed. Like whatever the details you have to fill in on the Naukri portal. First of all, you have to install the Naukri application itself on the your mobile on your laptop wherever you want. Correct. Then fill in the details and make sure that your profile is 100% completed. Once that is done, go with the resume. You should be having a clear and like neat and clean kind of your resume so that all the skill sets if you are from the developer side or if you are from the DevOps side, so all the skills or the all the technical terms should be utilized in your resume. And even on the Naukri, when you are putting your profile overview, so your profile overview should be having the number of experience and all those technical terms, at least 5 to 6 technical terms that should be in your profile overview, so that whenever a recruiter goes through your Naukri profile while scrolling, correct, the database, they will see that you do have all these technical stacks, so that they can filter your details and they can call you, correct. Then talking about the in the summary, you should mention the number of experience and the keywords as what I mentioned. Then talking about the most important terms, your CTC and expected CTC. So your CTC, you will be mentioning the current one, which is yours, correct? And then in terms of the expected CTC, you should mention the number which can lie within their budget as well. Like if you have suppose that if you have 10 lakhs of the CTC currently, and then if you are putting 30 LPA for the next role, you might not be getting the number of calls, correct? This has happened with me as well. So you have to put a real numbers, like if you are going from 10, if you are even if you are expecting from 10 to 20, you should not put the 20 in the first call, correct. You should put at least 15, 16. Once you receive the call, once you get the offer, then you can change the numbers and you can tell the recruiters that I want this much, correct. Or if let first you get the call and then you tell the expected number, so that the why I'm saying that you should put only 15 while your current is only also 10, so that you can get the number of calls from the recruiter, correct. Then talking about the notice period, if you have the notice period of 90 days, just suppose that in general it's the 90 days of notice period for most of the people, correct. So you should not put the 90 days. There might be chances that you will get the calls from the recruiter even if there is a 90 days of notice period, but you should put 60 days or 30 days. Once you receive the call from the recruiter, tell them honestly that you have 60 days of notice period, and you can negotiate in notice period in your current organization, correct. You can do the negotiation based on the dependency on your project, based on the already you have made the like that kind of rapport within your project or with the manager, so you can get the early rate, or you can think of any other regions based on which you can do the negotiation. What you have to tell to the recruiter, correct. Then talking about the location, like if you are from the Delhi NCR or if you are from the Pune, you should put the location in which you can get the job offer on and in which you will be able to join as well. Like if you are putting your job location as Hyderabad and you are not willing to join in the Hyderabad, so there might be chances that the moment you get the call from the recruiter, you will not be the moment you will answer that I'm not much interested in the Hyderabad, you will not be receiving the calls going forward, correct. So you should put the location in which you are interested to join as well. Then talking about the key skills. So in the Naukri profile, there are options for the key skills as well. You should put all the key skills which is being used in your technical domain, correct. Even if you are not much familiar with that particular technical keyword, you can put that, and you can prepare accordingly. And even if you are putting 20 skills, all the 20 skills are not required that you should be having expertise on that, correct. You can make the expertise on 10 technical skills, and left all you can put that in the section as well, correct. So that you will get the number of calls, whatever the skills matches with their job description, you will be getting the calls, correct. So that way you can maximize your chances to get the calls from the recruiter. Then talking about the certification, most of the time what happens that if you are appearing for the technical jobs, correct? So recruiter tries to find out if you have that particular certification in that domain or not. Like if you are going for the DevOps, correct? So either you have the AWS certification or the Docker certification or the Kubernetes certification or any cloud certification. If that is there, the chances of getting the call will become higher, correct? So you should focus on that certification part as well. Then the second platform on which you can do the profile optimization is LinkedIn, correct? So you can optimize your profile on the LinkedIn. You can make the connection, like you can send the request to the different peoples, to the different managers which are having in the organization. You can filter out the organization in which you want to apply. You can go with the easy apply as well. But the most important thing is that you make the connection on the LinkedIn. You ask for the referral to the hiring manager, to the technical manager, which you can like find out on the LinkedIn platform as well. Like if you are trying to switch into the Amazon, so you can find out the employee who are on the Amazon, correct? You can find the manager who is in the Amazon working. Then you can ask for the referral. And most of the time it happens that this kind of manager helps you and they refer as well, correct? So these are the points based on which you can optimize your Naukri profile, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, and you can reach to reach to the different people to get the things. On detailed video on this, like how can you make the connection and how can you optimize your profile, I'll be making this. And if you want to get the DevOps roadmap, like how can you get started with the DevOps, that video is already available. And even the how can you optimize your resume, and you can watch out to my resume as well, what I have already uploaded on a video. So you can watch out the video and you can get the idea that how can you create your resume as well. And the most important thing talking about the resume is that you should prepare your resume not through the any application or through any other portal. You should go with the simply Microsoft Word. You can create a simple, neat and clean kind of resume that helps recruiter to find out your all the technical skills, that helps the software itself to parse your resume and make the chances that higher chances for you to get the calls from the recruiter. So in this particular video I wanted to talk about all this, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for getting more technical contents and interview preparation related videos as well. Thank you.